Hello, you guys. I choose joy. Guess what? Just got out of church and it's time to ride. We're going around to see some more murals. So come on. Hey, if you don't have a church home yet, try going online to Alfred Street Baptist Church. It's housed out of Virginia, and Pastor Wesley is the pastor. That's some good word, y'all. Let's go. We made it back home safe and sound. What a great ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy and riding motorcycles around here, y'all. Bye. Happy riding.